Hello, Hugo, Ellie, and Ollie. Here's another chapter in the X, Y, Z. See, it's a play on words. X, Y, W, H, Y means why are you saying that? And Z. So we're going to read the chapter on nature. Nature is a living thing. It is always changing and growing. Watch the world around you closely. Nature will always surprise you. Why do butterflies like flowers? Butterflies drink nectar from flowers. Nectar is a liquid that is full of sugar, so it is very sweet. And so that's what bees do too, but bees turn that nectar into honey. Why do grapes turn into raisins? Did you know that raisins are dried out grapes? Grapes become raisins when they dry in the sun. Grapes have a lot of water and sugar in them. The hot sun removes the water from the grapes and just leaving the sugar behind. That's why raisins are so sweet and yummy. Why does fruit taste so good? Fruit tastes good so that animals will eat it. When the animal's done eating, the pits or other seeds are dropped on the ground in a new place. More fruit grows in the new location. So fruits made themselves very attractive to animals. Why do peaches have pits? All fruits have seeds. The large, hard peach pit is a seed from the peach tree. If you plant a peach pit, you can grow a peach tree. You know what? I don't think we could do that here in Casa Rio, in Canada, because it's too cold. But you know what? I wonder if you could do that in Australia, because you guys have like a long growing season. Maybe you should try it. Why do pumpkins have stems? Pumpkins grow on vines. The stem is where the pumpkin connects to the vine. When the pumpkin is picked, the stem remains. The stem that's left on the pumpkin can be used as a handle. And he's making himself a hat with that. Why are peppers different colors? These large peppers are called bell peppers. Bell peppers are green when they're not ripe. If the peppers stay on their vines until they are ripe, they will change colors. Most ripe bell peppers are red, orange, or yellow. I didn't know that. That's very interesting. And they taste kind of different too. The longer, I guess when they ripen, they're a little bit sweeter. Why is tomato a fruit? Did you know that? Tomatoes are a fruit, not a vegetable. 2 rules will help you identify fruit. Number 1, fruits come from plants that grow flowers. And number 2, fruits have seeds. Tomatoes have seeds, and the tomato plant grows flowers. Green beans and corn kernels are really fruits too. Oh, interesting. Why are vegetables kept in the refrigerator? Vegetables continue to ripen even after they are picked. The cold air in a refrigerator slows down ripening. If you don't keep vegetables cold, they'll rot. They'll turn rotten faster. Yeah, you want them to last. So here's a fact. Some of the world's biggest and strongest animals eat only plants. The elephant, hippo, buffalo, and rhinoceros eat only vegetables every day. Come here, Grandpa. Come and say hello to everybody. Look at Grandpa's here. He came home from work.
Hello, everybody, and hope you enjoy your book.
And I just have a couple more pages, Grandpa, and then I'll be done. Why do tree leaves change color? During the spring and summer, leaves are filled with green chlorophyll. The chlorophyll helps the trees make food, and it makes the leaves look green. In the colder fall weather, leaves lose their chlorophyll and show their bright colors. Here's a fact. Walnuts are the seeds of the walnut tree. Almonds are the seeds of the almond tree. Acorns are the seeds of the oak tree. So look at, here's a walnut, here's an almond, and there is an acorn. Why do some trees stay green all winter? They're called evergreens. Trees that do not change color are called evergreens. Their thick needle-shaped leaves can stand up to cold winters. They won't dry out and die. Pine trees are a common type of evergreen. We have lots of evergreens here on the acreage because we like that they stay green all year. Why do trees have rings? So look at this is a tree trunk that they've cut and it's showing all the rings. Water helps trees grow. Xylem is the part of the tree that carries water from the roots to the leaves. When you cut a tree down, you can see where a new ring of xylem grew each year. You can learn the tree's age by counting the rings. So look at here, this tree is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 years old. I wonder why maybe that poor tree was sick or something. Why do roses have thorns? Sharp, pointy thorns help a rose protect itself. Animals are attracted to the rose's bright color and sweet smell. Thorns poke the animals that try to eat the rose because the rose wants to be there for honeybees so that they can make honey from them. And then the honeybee helps to spread the seeds of the rose. So the rose has to last a long time. If it gets eaten, then it can't spread out its seed. Why can mushrooms live in dark places? Mushrooms need sunlight to make their own food. Plants need sunlight to make their own food. Mushrooms don't make their own food. They get their food from dead plant and animal matter in the soil, and that's why they don't need light. Why do most flowers smell so good? The smell invites bees and other insects to visit the flowers. Flowers make pollen, a powder that sticks to the insects' bodies. As the insects travel from flower to flower, they spread the pollen. This helps flowers grow. Here's another fact. Trees and other green plants release oxygen into the air. Oxygen is what humans and other animals breathe. We couldn't live without it. So, thank you, plants. That's why we have to always keep care of our plants. I know that's why Papa has so many plants in your house, so just think of all the nice fresh oxygen you guys are getting in your house. Why do dandelions turn fuzzy? Look at there, he's blowing those dandelion seeds. A new dandelion has a yellow flower. When the dandelion gets old, the flower turns fuzzy and white. At the bottom of each fuzzy bit is one seed. When the wind blows, the fuzz flies into the air, carrying the seed. If the seed lands on good dirt, a new dandelion seed can grow. Here's a fact. Many sports fields are made of plastic grass. It looks like real grass, but it lasts longer. Why is grass green? Plants that are green contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green chemical that helps plants turn sunlight into food. Why do we pull weeds? A weed is a plant you don't want in your garden or lawn. Weeds get in the way of the plants you want to have. Weeds take water and block sunlight, and they take nutrients out of the soil. They are not nice to look at, so out they go. That's what Grandpa and I spend a lot of time doing in the summer, is we do a lot of weeding. I love you guys. So does Grandpa. We miss you. Mwah. Be good. Be helpful. Be kind. I love you.